Hello guys, welcome to my YouCut video editing 005 tutorial. My name is Lombini. This tutorial is the continuous part of the last video, 004. I hope you learned something from the last video. Today we will be learning about effects, new animation, and other tools. It will be easy and smooth learning. I guarantee it. So let's do the work. Open up the YouCut app and choose the old project from draft and click on it. Slide the editing panel to the end of the last project. Now we will need to bring back the missing part of the main song video and PIP videos. Select the main video, press down the end of that video and slide to the end. Now we are going to do the same thing to the PIP video, which is the matching part. Find that video, select and drag till the end. Move the orange bar to the end of the last project again. Select the PIP video. Press split. Slide the green arrow to the desired place for now. Now we are going to cut off the hidden video under the group of photos. We don't actually need it. Slide the bar at the start of the last project. Select that PIP video. Press split and then press delete. Now slide the orange bar to the end of the last project. Play it. Okay folks, this is where we are going to start our new project. The work we just did is preparation only. Now I am going to add the effect on the main video. Let's go back where we were at. Press on the free space. Press effect, choose dark effect, and press down and choose retro dust. Then press check mark. Do you see the purple effect? Expand to your desired end. Now we are going to add the top of that effect. Place the orange bar at the beginning of that effect. Press on the free space and then press effect. This time we are going to choose the basic open to. Press down and press check mark. Expand a little bit. Slide to see the right timing. If not, move and adjust it. Now we are going to bring back the PIP piano part. Select the PIP video and bring it back. Select that PIP, press animation and choose swirl. And adjust the timeline. Press checkmark when you are done. Now we are going to add the filter on that video. Select that video and press filter and choose memo. Press checkmark. Now we are going to import some videos we downloaded from the internet. Let's get going. Now we are going to cut out the PIP video and import the downloaded video. Select the PIP video, press play, clear some space for the new video. Slide the orange bar to the end of the split. Press on the free space and press PIP. Import the video and press fill. Move the video to connect with the previous. We don't want to see any gap. Now I am going to add animation on that video. Select the video and press animation. Now choose combo. Choose anything you like. Make sure it's full timing and click check mark. Move the orange bar and then play to see whether you like it or not. How does it look, folks? You can choose any animation you like. Now I am going to import some more downloaded videos and use different animation. Let's get back to editing. Now I'm going to use the same step to import more videos with different animation. Now we are going to make the main video like an old film. Let's get back to work. Move the orange bar at the last video. Press on the free space. Then press Effect. Choose Film and press Shoot Film. And then press checkmark. Expand your desired amount. Now we are going to bring PIP video. Change the filter. Press the PIP video and then press filter. Then choose natural. Marvelous! Let me stop here. I hope you learned from this video and make your own idea better than mine. Catch you guys in the next tutorial. Happy holidays!